So I got my bag all packed for my upcoming class, and I, for starters, just love how easy this rolls. Like, I've even thought about I should just take it on the airplane for like one of my travel bags. So I have like my note cards up here in front for teaching my class. My laptop does actually fit in the top, and I have a little bit larger laptop, so I liked that. It didn't fit in the pocket, but that's okay because I can set it on top. But you know, like in the back here, I was able to put some books. You've got the side pockets here that you can stick some of this other stuff in. I've got my printer. I've got some different cases and things in here. So like you can get a good bit in there. And then in the front part here, I do like this file organizer. So I separated some different sheets that I like to hand out at my classes. I even put my printer rolls for my little label printer there. And then again, it zips up really, really nice. You got the front pocket here in case you need to put anything else in the front. The side here, I put some extra little handouts that I hand out at classes. And then on this side, you could put some of your pens, and I have a few more little books. You also have this little mesh part here that you could stick a few random small things. Now this is just for starting to pack it, so I'm sure I will tweak it more as I go. I also like the fact that there is a clip here, because otherwise this would keep falling down on you. So it is nice that there's this clip that you can clip it up over the handle, keep your bag open. Zipping, just know that this one is going to hang down on the front, so you can tuck this strap in. And then on the back part here, you can undo this Velcro. It does slide over the pole on both of these, but to take it off, really easy. And then if you decide you don't need the little cart, you can just actually bend it, fold it forward, and it's nice and flat, and you can just set it in your vehicle. Or if you have toddlers, they're probably going to play on that. Then as far as the handles, you do have this one, which you could carry it with. Or you can put this one together. So then just to demonstrate, if you want to just carry it, you know, by the hand, you do have the little shoulder pad, so you could easily carry it like this as well. So definitely a nice versatile bag, especially for teaching classes or teachers or someone who needs a lot of different compartments for all their stuff.
For those of you that may want to see like what it looks like when you first take it out of the box, you do have to attach the caster wheels to the bottom of the cart. It was really easy. You just line up the slots on the bottom of the wheel with the slots on the bottom of the cart. And there was 5 different wheels, and they're really durable. So very, very pleased with this. Then you can just flip it up, and then, you know, here's a little demonstration of how well it spins, but you kind of saw that before. And then here's taking the bag out, of course, and then just kind of opening it up onto the cart itself. I was very impressed with how big it was and how durable it seems. Like I could see definitely using this bag for more than just, you know, teaching or organizing some of those types of supplies, but also even just traveling with it as like an overnight bag. Like there's so many fun compartments in here. All 4 sides have different compartments. The front there had a file. Here's again kind of showing it going onto the cart. Then you've got that nice Velcro piece there that just kind of helps hold it in place. And I love that this doesn't slide off of the cart. And then here's another side pocket with like a netted pocket there and some other little pockets. And then just kind of more of a plain pocket there on the side. And then you do have the carrying handle, which you saw, that you can attach or detach, just depends on how you plan to use it.